रिटेल आणि रेडी आयटम विकपाची मान्यताय घेऊन बांबोळे गाडेकार खंय सुवातीरूच रांदून खाण जिनस विकतात तेवूय बी असल्या घाण सुवातीत एफडीएन बांबोळे गाडेकारा आड कारवाई सुरू केली. ऑफिसरान रांदतात ती सुवात मीडियाक दाखयली.
This is what they are supporting. Is this panchayat is supporting this?
Just see one side, see both sides also, no?
See both sides.
This is the way how public can eat.
When the authority is stepped in to do something good, there is objection to stop something good. See the conditions. We have been working on this for the past many days. The notices have gone, show causes have gone. No one has replied, and that is why we have to come in the field. Come.
गाडेकारांची कारवायेक हरकत. एफडीएन खंय अकस्मात ॲक्शन घेतली. सांताक्रूजचो सरपंचूय तांचे फाटल्यान.
हांव एकूच मागता फूड एंड ड्रग्सान हे भाशेन येवन हांगासर करूंक जायना दादागिरी. आमचे एमएलए घेवन बसा गव्हर्मेंट आनी करा लोकांचें सोल्युशन. हे भाशेन लोकांक तुमी आतां तुमी काडूंक सोदतात आनी लोकांक तुमी सुवात दिया म्हणटा हुंजोरी. लोकांनी आपलें बरे भाशेन धरूंक जाय. हे भाशेन डटिनस धरूंक बांदना.
चार पावले एक लेटर येवंक ना नोटीस येवंक ना काय ना कितें हांगा चडशें कुकिंग जायना. फक्त जे लोकांक भजी लोक गरम सोदता पावसान आतां हे पावसान भिजोन येता लोक जावं बाबा कितें आसा गरम त्या काडून हाडलेलें हें तण जाल्या म्हणटा म्हणून एमर्जन्सी थोडे तरी हांगा करता.
तशें कशें
कळ्ळें तुका?
कुकिंग म्हणल्यार ते मागीर भजी हांगा हाडून गरम करता ते कुकिंग जालीच न्हू.
हांगा
ऑफिसरान एफडीएची बाजू सांगली.
3 months ago, we had given them a return notice. Okay. Subsequent to the return notice, there was a show cause issued. There has been no reply to the show cause. We've given another reminder show cause. Still, there is no reply, and that is why we have come to the field today to witness what is the actual activity. So, in the interest of public health, we have asked them to stop the operations and to remove all their equipments that they're using to prepare. Because if we allow them to keep the equipments, then the moment we leave, they will start preparing, and that will not serve the purpose. Panchayat NOC specifies that only retail sale is allowed, and the Panchayat NOC also specifies that the permission from FDA is needed. So now, since they are doing activities beyond the retail sale, we will be also writing to the Panchayat, and we will be requesting the Panchayat to revoke their NOCs.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.